Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we are unboxing a new website that name is CodeWars. So CodeWars is a website that provides a practice on programming languages which you know. So let's start our video unboxing and review of the new fresh website CodeWars. So this is the official URL of CodeWars. Codewars.com. So what the website provides? So achieve mastery truth challenges. In this website, the website is providing you a challenge related to which language you have chosen. You can see here how the challenge and difficulty levels of the challenge. After submitting a solution, you can get a feedback also and earn ranks like other coding platforms. Same as card challenge named this site is Kata. Means when you complete Kata challenges, earn your ranks and honors also. So see here, 1 million plus kata completed every month. Most of users are known this site and they will come and they take advantage of it, but many people don't have a knowledge or information about this site. So today I am unboxing this site. Create your own kata means create your own platform, own law. So what can I use CodeWars for? So you can use CodeWars for get a new perspective for solving challenges, view how others solve the same challenge as you. Means if you are a beginner or a new developer, so the same challenge solved by the other developer will be totally helps you to grow. And other feature is learn new languages. You can solve challenges in a language you are not comfortable with. You are comfortable with, and also you can solve challenges on other languages also. And the third feature is compete. Right? Competition is very good feature for the site. What the users say. Accident got addicted to old wars. Oops. So when you saw a programming practice on the site, your confidence will be built, and you can also, if you are interested to become a mentor or you are experienced developer, so you can become a mentor here also. So let's start. I will show you how to start. I will already registered here, so sorry. I will show you how to log use this portal. I registered by itself today. Sorry, I am apologizing for this. I think I have misspelled CH. This is not user. This asks for my email. So this is the user main interface after you register. So you have to choose current skill level, means beginner, intermediate, advanced. So I choose here intermediate because I have an intermediate stage. So career stage, you are in school, profession, or etc. So I have a profession. I feed a sample experience here, 2 to 3 years. Okay. So which language is your basic language and you are known experienced with? So you can choose here like C, C++, etc. Go, Haskell, Java, Kotlin. You can see here a very latest and popular languages are there. So I will choose PHP. And which language you wish to train? So I need a JavaScript. I want to train on JavaScript. I also interested in PHP to advanced PHP and Python. As we know, Python is very mostly famous programming language in today's world. So you are interested to emails here? Save. So the settings was saved for me. Let's start it. So see how the website is looking like. So you can practice, freestyle, leaderboards, chat, discussion. So I click on practice. So see here, you can sort it by newest, oldest. You can choose languages, like for example I choose C language. So see here what are the katas found, means challenges found on the site, right? You can solve these challenges and expand your programming skills in a particular language. Leaderboards, etc. If I click on leaderboard, so you have options like first rank to add D. So see here how the users are performing on this site. At most 500 leaderboard is showing here with the honor scores. So why you are waiting? Just go on the link, register, and start your coding journey from here. So thank you for watching a complete video. So bye bye, and we will see again to the next video. Please subscribe to our latest updates and please place on bell icon for support me guys. So bye. We will unboxing and we will bring new more sites in the future, and I will upload at least 2 to 3 videos in a particular week. So please subscribe for the channel. Thank you guys.